Every year, millions of students choose engineering with one dream: a great career, a high-paying job, and a better future. For many families, an engineering degree represents stability, success, and opportunity. But 4 years later, reality looks very different. Some graduates receive incredible job offers before they even leave college. Others spend months, or even years, searching for their first opportunity. The question is, how can two students with the same degree end up with completely different lives? Is engineering really losing its value? Or is there something far more important than the degree itself? To answer that, we need to look beyond the classroom, beyond the placements, and beyond the myths. This is the reality after engineering. Long before students entered engineering colleges, a dream had already been created. For decades, engineering was seen as one of the safest paths to success. A respected profession, a stable income, and a better life. As India's technology industry grew, stories of engineers building global careers became more common. Some worked at the world's biggest companies. Others built successful startups. These success stories inspired millions of students and gave countless families hope. Slowly, engineering became more than just a profession. It became an expectation. For many students, choosing engineering wasn't only about passion. It was about security, opportunity, and the belief that a single degree could change an entire family's future. But every dream comes with expectations. And expectations often hide a reality that isn't immediately visible. The day you enter engineering college, it feels like the beginning of a new life. New friends, new campus, new freedom, and endless possibilities. For the first time, no one reminds you to study. No one checks your homework. Your success depends almost entirely on the choices you make. Many students believe that simply attending classes and passing exams will be enough. But the industry has changed. Today, companies don't just look for a degree. They look for problem solvers. People who can build, create, communicate, and adapt. The classroom teaches the fundamentals. But the real learning often begins outside the classroom. Late-night coding sessions, team projects, hackathons, internships, open-source contributions. Every experience adds another piece to your journey. Some students realize this in their first year. Others discover it in their final semester. And that difference can completely change the opportunities waiting after graduation. When graduation finally arrives, every student walks out with the same degree, but not the same future. Some receive multiple job offers before graduation. Others are still searching months later. Why? Because today's job market is no longer driven by degrees alone. A degree can open the first door, but it cannot walk through that door for you. Companies look beyond mark sheets. They look for skills, projects that prove what you've built, internships that show real-world experience, communication that helps you work with others, and the ability to keep learning, even after college ends. The truth is, engineering is not a guarantee of success. But neither is it a dead end. For students who stay curious, keep building, and never stop learning, engineering can become one of the most powerful foundations for an incredible career. The difference isn't always the college, or even the branch. More often, it's what you choose to do with the 4 years you are given. Because in the end, a degree tells people what you studied. Your skills tell them what you can do. Success after engineering rarely happens by accident. It is built through thousands of small decisions. The decision to learn one more skill, to build one more project, to apply for one more internship, to solve one more problem. The students who stand out are not always the smartest. They are often the most consistent. They understand that graduation is not the finish line. It's the starting line. The world is changing faster than ever. New technologies emerge. Industries evolve. And the skills that matter today may not be the same tomorrow. That's why the most valuable engineers never stop learning. They stay curious. They adapt. They keep improving. Because in the end, your career isn't defined by the name of your college or the branch printed on your degree. It's defined by the value you create, the problems you solve, and the impact you leave behind. A degree may begin your journey, but your mindset determines how far you'll go. Engineering is more than a degree. It's a journey of learning, failure, growth, and resilience. Some graduates will find success early. Others will take longer. But your future is never decided by a single exam, a single college, or a single placement. Because the most successful engineers never stop learning. They never stop building. And they never stop moving forward. In the end, the degree may open the first door, but the person you become determines how far you'll go. Thank you for watching.